Assalamu alaikum students. As you all know that we have started chapter number 4 of T3 which deals with indices and standard form. We have done basic and intermediate level so far. Today we are going to start the advanced level. Let's start question number 9 part A. It says 2x square y whole cube divided by 10xy cube whole square multiply by 5xy4 whole cube divided by 4xy. First of all, we will simplify the brackets. 2 cube into x, 2 into 3, 6, y cube divided by 10 square, x square, 3 into 2, 6, 5 cube, x cube, y 4 into 3, 12 divided by 4xy. Right. Next, 2 cube means 8, x6, y cube divided by 10 square means 100, x square, y6 multiply by 5 cube means 5 into 5 into 5, 125, x cube y12 divided by 4xy. As we all know that if we are having multiplication in between the fractions, we are allowed to do the cross cancellation. So check it out if the cross cancellation is possible. Yes, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, and 2 ones are 2, 2 25s are, 2 50s are 100, and 5 10s are 50, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, again 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. So I am going to do the next step over here. It would be x6. Now multiply numerator with the numerator. 5 into 1 5, x 6 and x3, both the bases are same, their powers will be added. 6 plus 3, y cube y12, it will be cube plus 12 divided by 2 into 1 2, x square and x, it will be 2 plus 1, y6 and y6 plus 1. Next, 5 over 2, or you can write down as first 5x 9 y 15 divided by 2 x cube y 7, and last step would be 5 over 2 combine x, 9 minus 3 y, 15 minus 7. Why we have done so? x9 divided by x cube. So x9 divided by x cube, when bases are same, their powers are subtracted. So 5 by 2, x to the power 6, y to the power 8. 5 by 2, x to the power 6, y to the power 8. Look at the question number 9 part B. 8x8 y4 over 2x y square whole square multiply by 4x square y square whole square divided by 3xy whole square. So let's simplify this question first, dealing with the bracket area first. 8x8 y4 over 2 square means 4, x square y4 multiply by 4 square means 16, x4 y4 divided by 9 x square y square. We are allowed to do cross cancellation if possible. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. That's it. Once we have done maximum cancellation, then we multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. So let's multiply the numerator first. 8 into 4, 32. x8 into x4, it will be x8 plus 4. y4 into y4, y4 plus 4. Divided by 1 into 9, 9. X square into x square, square plus square, they will be added. y4 plus 2. Right? I am applying all these laws where applicable. Next I am going to do the next step here. 32 over 9 x, sorry, first do the numerator. 8 plus 4, 12, y8 divided by 9, x to the power 4, y to the power 6, and at the end 32 by 9, x 12 minus 4, y 8 minus 6. So my answer would be 12 minus 4, 8, y 8 minus 6, 2. 32 by 9, x 8, y square. Student, this is the last question of exercise 4a of advanced level. This is question number 10. It says 2p q4 whole power 4 divided by minus 3q5 to the power 2 divided by 4p square q whole square over 9 is equal to p a plus b over q a minus b. Form a pair of simultaneous equations in a and b and hence find the value of a and of b. So they are saying that this is already an equation. You are going to form a pair of simultaneous equations. First we have to solve this question up to certain level with the help of law of indices. Then at a later stage the question will be converted to the simultaneous equations, and with the help of simultaneous equation we will find the value of a and b. So let's see how it happens. Starting from the left hand side of the equation, it says 2p cube q4. So left hand side it says 2p cube. So I am going to start it from left hand side. P square q whole square over 9. Take its power 4. 2 to the power 4 means 2 into 2 4. 4 into 4 16. P 12 q 16 divided by 9 q 10. Q to the power 10. Right? Divided by 4 square means 16. P 4 q square over 9. Right? After that we have to simplify it. So let's simplify it first. 16 p square q16 over 9 q10. If I change the sign of division to multiplication, then the immediate term will be reversed. It will be 9 over 16 p4 q square. By doing so, we can get rid of this 9 and 16 as well, because in multiplication cross cancellation is allowed. So 9 and 9 and 16 will be cancelled out. Next, I am running short of space, so I am writing over here we are left with P12 q to the power 16 divided by q10 divided by P4 q10 into q12, it will be 10 plus 2 12. We have to mold this equation in this format so that left and right hand must be equal. So over here it should be P in the numerator and this should be Q in the denominator. So I'll shift the values of P from denominator to the numerator here. 12 minus 4, and over here Q 12 minus 16. 12 minus 16, right? So it becomes P 12 minus 4, 8 over Q 12 minus 16 minus 4. P to the power 8 divided by, this equal to sign should be in front of the fraction over here. Keep it in mind that this fraction, this equal to sign must be in front of the fraction, right? So at the end we came to know that P to the power 8 over Q to the power minus 4 is the left hand side. Now I am going to erase and writing this left hand side once again. That is P to the power 8 over Q to the power minus 4, right? So I can erase it. Right hand side says P A plus B over Q A minus B. So then we will write down from left hand side and right hand side, we conclude P 8 over Q minus 4 is equal to P A plus B over Q A minus B. P A plus B over Q A minus B. Let me erase this again. From here we can write down as 8 is equal to A plus B. This is equation number 1, and minus 4 is equal to A minus B. This is equation number 2. From this we can infer that if the bases are same, then their powers can be written in the form of equation. This is also a law that if the bases are same in an equation, left hand side and right hand side, if numerators are same, bases are same, then we can write down their powers as 8 equal to A plus B. Bases are same, you can say the bases are identical, then their powers would also be equal. Similarly, in denominator, this was in numerator, this is denominator. In denominator as well, this is Q. In denominator as well, if the bases are equal or identical, then the powers can be written as inequality. So from this we can conclude that from this simultaneous equation, if I add up equation 1 and 2, I can write down as adding. If I add up, 8 minus 4 is 4 and A plus A is 2A. From here I can get 2A is equal to 4. I can flip the values. I can do it. A is equal to 4 over 2. So A is equal to 2. So I get first value. This is called as Elimination method. When we will do this algebra, then there are three different types of solution. One we call as substitution method, second we call as elimination method, and third is the graphical method to solve the simultaneous equation. Here we are using elimination method. In this elimination method, why we call this elimination? Because one of the element is going to be eliminated first. Like a and b, there are two variables here, so we will try to make the symmetry in these two equations in such a way that either a or b will be eliminated. So here I can see that this is already plus b, this is already minus b. So if I add these equations, so these two will be cancelled out, leaving behind a plus a equal to 2a. This is how I get the value of a. Once I get the value of a, I can put this value in any of the equation, either in equation a or in equation b. I'll get the same answer. So I put this equation, this value of a, let's say in equation a. Put a is equal to 2 in equation 1 to get, what do you get? 8 is equal to a plus b. Put the value here, 2 plus b. 8 minus 2 equal to b. So this is 6. So b is equal to 6. That's how we get the value of a and the value of b. So at a certain stage we solve this question with the help of the laws of indices, and at a later stage we came to know that if the bases of numerator they are identical, then their powers can be written in the form of equation. Same is the case with the denominator. Denominator's base were equal or identical, so their powers can be written in the form of equation. Here we get two simultaneous equations having a and b variables. So if I add these two equations, so these b will be cancelled out, leaving behind 2a, and so on. We got the value of a. If you put this value of a equal to 2 in any of the equation, in equation 1 or equation 2, you will get the same answer. So that was all about exercise 4a. Thank you so much and keep watching my videos. Allah Hafiz.